Welcome to Balapurav channel. Today we are making slime without glue or borax. So let's begin. To make the slime we need some sugar, a container and some toothpaste. So now what we are going to do is take the toothpaste and put some into the container. So once we have some toothpaste in our container, what we are going to do is take some sugar, then add it into the toothpaste and mix well. So we are going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now we have to mix everything well. So once you start mixing your toothpaste, you should have a slime forming. So once you have something looking like this, like slime, now what we are going to do is we have to leave it in the refrigerator for 12 hours. So we want to mix the mixture till all of the sugar is gone. We are going to mix it nicely.
12 hours later.
Guys, so yesterday's recipe did not work for some reason because I added 2 tablespoons of sugar, so it did not actually freeze. So yeah, now what I did was I figured out the proper sugar. So what I did was I added some more toothpaste in there, and instead of 2 tablespoons of sugar I added half a tablespoon. So once we have added half a tablespoon, so we should have something like this, not like yesterday's, like it was a paste thingy. So we should have something slimy like this. So once we have something like this, if you don't get this, you can try adding a little bit more sugar. So once we have something like this, so I am going to refrigerate this for 12 hours. So, but you can try it for 24 hours if you want a really clear slime, and you can also try using different toothpaste. You can try using different Colgate toothpaste such as Colgate Max Fresh and Colgate whitening whatever. So now once you are done, you should have something like this. It should be really slimy and it should be stretchy like this. So once you have this, you want to refrigerate this for 12 hours. I'll see you guys in 12 hours back.
12 hours later.
In the fridge for 12 hours, your slime should be a lot thicker than before. Like this it must be. But it's already a slime, but it's too sticky to hold. So now we are going to activate it even more. For the activation process, we are going to be needing some salt and some flour. So what we are going to do is take a pinch of salt, only a pinch. Because if we put too much salt, the slime will start melting. We have to take a pinch of salt, add it into the slime. Only a little bit, and we have to mix it nicely. The salt will actually dry out the slime and take out the extra moisture. So we are using salt for that. Now we are going to mix everything nicely. If it's still sticky, you can add a bit more salt. And some toothpaste. And some gum to veggies. And some gum to cookies. Adding salt, the slime should start thickening up and become less sticky. So once you have this consistency, you want to take every bit of the toothpaste mixture from sugar and you want to mix it in. Keep adding little salt. You don't want to melt the slime. Only a pinch at a time. We add some toothpaste. So once we have something like this, we are going to add flour. So we will take some flour, add it in there. We have to add very little at a time. This will also make our slime less sticky. You can instantly see the slime forming. We'll keep adding some salt and flour till the slime is not sticky anymore. Make sure you don't add lots of flour, because if you add lots of flour, slime will become like Play-Doh. So we have to keep adding little bit of the ingredients at a time. Once you are done adding everything, you have to mix everything super good. So you can see the slime is becoming very less sticky. And the slime is forming really good as we add more and more flour. So we have to keep adding flour until this happens and the slime is not that sticky anymore and it doesn't stick. So we can also use our hand for that, but I'm using a spoon and add a pinch of salt. So once you are done with all the mixing, you should end up with something like this. This is a slime. It will be a little sticky because we added sugar. But if you rub some flour on your hand and play with it, it will be really nice. So if you like this video, share it with your friends, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thanks.